In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Breadcrumbs in views. Let's start inside ClickUp and pick the space you want to work in. When you open a space, look toward the top of your screen for the breadcrumb trail. This small navigation line shows your exact location in the hierarchy, typically moving from your workspace into a space, then into a folder, and finally down to a specific list. Think of it like a GPS for your work. As you move deeper into your structure, it updates to keep you oriented so you always know where your tasks are living. Next, switch to the List view. Click on List to bring up a clear, column-based view of your tasks. List view is great for demonstrating breadcrumbs because the path at the top makes it obvious where this list and its tasks reside. If you manage multiple spaces or lists that look similar, a quick glance at the breadcrumb line helps you confirm you're in the right place before you start making changes. Now, click Customize. You'll usually find this in the upper right area of the view. The Customize panel controls what appears in your current view without changing your underlying structure. It's the best place to refine what you see, so your list reflects exactly the level of detail you need. Open the menu inside, Customize, and enable the Show Tasks option. This ensures your tasks are actually visible in this view. If you've ever opened a list and wondered why it looks empty, there's a good chance tasks were hidden by a setting or filter. Turning on Show Tasks makes them appear again. If tasks still don't show up right away, give the page a second to refresh and glance at the breadcrumb trail to confirm you're in the correct space and list. Finally, select Subtasks in the same Customize area to check how subtasks appear. Clicking Subtasks lets you display them inline beneath their parent task or as separate rows, depending on your preference. This is especially useful when you want a quick roll-up of all the work under a main task while keeping the context of where everything sits in the hierarchy. After you adjust this setting, look back at your list and you should see subtasks presented the way you chose, still anchored to the correct path indicated by the breadcrumbs above. That's it. By choosing your space, moving to List View, using Customize to show tasks, and enabling subtasks, you'll get a clean, accurate view guided by the breadcrumbs at the top. This keeps you oriented and makes your work easier to find and manage.